Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano and one of the most active in the world, once again demonstrated the terrifying power of nature with a powerful eruption that rocked the Italian island of Sicily. The eruption sent a giant column of volcanic ash billowing into the sky, blanketing eastern Sicily in a thick, dark cloud visible for tens of kilometers. The event sparked panic among residents and tourists and caused major disruptions to air transportation, stranding thousands of passengers. A powerful explosion erupted from Mount Etna's crater, with a rumbling sound that could be heard in surrounding towns. Volcanic material, consisting of ash, incandescent rocks, and hot lava, continued to erupt from the volcano's interior, creating a stunning and terrifying sight. The blackish-gray ash cloud formed a giant cloud that gradually obscured the sky, turning daylight into a dark, dim cloud until nightfall. The volcanic activity produced a very thick ash column that drastically reduced visibility. Wind-blown volcanic ash spread across the city of Catania and other areas in eastern Sicily. Roads, vehicles, rooftops, and even farmland were covered in a thin layer of ash, while residents were advised to limit outdoor activities to avoid respiratory problems caused by flying volcanic particles. The aviation sector suffered the greatest direct impact. Catania International Airport, one of the main gateways to the island of Sicily, experienced operational disruptions after a severe ash cloud entered the flight path. Thousands of tourists enjoying their vacations in Sicily were suddenly stranded. Airport terminals were filled with long lines of passengers waiting for confirmed departure times. Many were forced to spend hours, even days, in waiting areas as flights were continually rescheduled due to unstable volcanic activity. Some tourists describe the situation around Mount Etna as an unforgettable experience. They watched the sky darken and heard loud booms echoing from the volcano. Flashes of incandescent lava could be seen erupting from the crater, while ash slowly began to fall, quickly covering vehicles, buildings, and roads. Some visitors chose to leave the area immediately, while others remained to capture this extraordinary and dangerous natural phenomenon. Although the event attracted thousands of tourists and photographers, rescue teams and civil protection officials continued to warn the public to stay away from the danger zone. Constantly moving lava flows, ejections of superheated volcanic rock, and shifting winds that can carry ash to new areas make conditions around the volcano extremely unpredictable. Even the smallest changes in volcanic activity can escalate the danger level within minutes. A team of experts from the Italian National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, continuously monitored Mount Etna's developments using a network of seismic sensors, thermal cameras, satellite imagery, and direct field observations. Increased volcanic earthquake activity before an eruption is one indicator that the pressure of the magma beneath the surface is undergoing significant changes. In addition to disrupting air transportation, volcanic ashfall has also begun to impact economic activity. Some shops closed early, vehicles had to be repeatedly cleaned of ash deposits, and farmers experienced the impact of volcanic material on their crops and gardens. City sanitation services were deployed to clear ash-covered main roads to ensure they remained safe for vehicles. The tourism sector, the backbone of Sicily's economy, has also been significantly impacted. Hotels are overflowing with guests unable to leave the island as planned, while ground transportation companies are experiencing increased demand as many travelers seek alternative travel options. Airlines are working tirelessly to reschedule flights once air conditions are deemed safe again.